studying 8th class at GVR IIT Foundation in Miryalagoda. So the next project is light security alarm. This project is made up of some concepts: battery, switch, 100K resistor, BC547 transistor. This is LDR sensor. This is buzzer. Okay. This is the 3 PVC pipes. This is the laser light. Laser light is turned on to the mirror. It reflected. Okay. Reflected to the another mirror. Another mirror is reflected to the sensor. Switch on the battery is reflected to the another sensor. Roshan put on the frame. So the Roshan put on your frame. His buzzer is ringing. So the turn the back and his buzzer is not ringing. Okay.